land bank is essentially, it's typically either a quasi-governmental or a nonprofit organization that is set up by a government with the specific intent of acquiring distressed assets, real estate assets.
Okay.
Now, that's a very kind of esoteric explanation, but the reality is most of the cities and counties that have land banks have significant inventories of distressed real estate. That's property that's tax delinquent. It might be environmentally contaminated. In the southern part of the United States, we have huge problems with clouded title, which is where title was never recorded because the families didn't trust their county recorder, or they didn't know that that's what you did, or they didn't want to pay the expense of having it recorded, so they saved the money on the fee. So when you get into situations where you're trying to transact that real estate and put it together for some constructive reuse, you encounter these issues of unpaid taxes, environmental contamination, which may belong, maybe the responsibility of the prior owner. We got to figure out how to assign the responsibility and the cost of cleanup to that person, because if I'm buying that property, I could inherit that problem, and now it becomes my legal responsibility.